Hi everyone, my name's Taylor. I'm here at Sevil Smile Studio and I've come all the way from Newcastle, England. I can't thank the team at Sevil Smile Studio enough for my new smile makeover. We've had the best week. My dentist worked with me to help me achieve exactly the look that I wanted and I'm so happy with the results. The staff here are fantastic, they can't do enough for you, they're so welcoming and they really look after you throughout the whole process. The place, Antalya, is a lovely place to come, it's so picturesque. We've been for nice food, really relaxing, and the clinic here, again, is just fantastic with some amazing views. Had the best week and a fantastic holiday and I already can't wait to come back. Thank you, Sevil Smile Studio.